Traditional teaching methods are not boring, but to engage the students and bring more attention, we introduce interactive flat panel. Interactive flat panels offer several advantages for schools, enhancing both teaching and learning experiences. Interactive flat panels allow for dynamic, hands-on learning. Students can interact with the screen, manipulate objects, and participate in activities that make learning more engaging and interactive. They support various media types and applications. Teachers can display videos, presentations, interactive simulations, and educational games, catering to different learning styles. These panels often support multiple touchpoints, enabling collaborative work among students. They can work together on projects, solve problems, and share their findings in real time. Interactive panels can provide immediate feedback through quizzes, polls, and interactive exercises. This helps teachers gauge student understanding and adjust their teaching strategies on the fly. The high resolution and large screen size of interactive flat panels offer clear, sharp visuals. This can be particularly beneficial for displaying detailed information, such as graphs, diagrams, and text, making content more accessible. Interactive panels integrate seamlessly with educational software and online resources. This allows for easy incorporation of digital tools into lessons and helps keep content up to date. They can reduce the reliance on physical materials like whiteboards, markers, and printed handouts, contributing to a more sustainable classroom environment. Modern interactive flat panels are designed to be user-friendly, with intuitive touch controls and straightforward interfaces. Teachers and students can quickly adapt to using them, minimizing the learning curve. Interactive panels support remote learning, such as video conferencing and screen sharing, which can be valuable in hybrid or distance education settings. Interactive flat panels are generally more durable than traditional whiteboards and require less frequent maintenance or replacement, offering long-term cost benefits. Overall, interactive flat panels can enrich the educational experience, making lessons more interactive, engaging, and effective. We hope you have got an idea. Contact us to schedule a live demo at your premises. Thanks for watching.